as part of efforts of the Egor Local Government Council Chairmo Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia to ensure say every nook and cranny for Egor Local Government area gets clean and healthy environment, the Egor Local Government Environmental Sanitation Task Force and monitoring team don't carry out sensitization and monitoring exercise to make sure say residents and traders they gather and throw their dirty properly. Now, so it be for some of the streets and business centers where the Egor Local Government Council Environmental Sanitation Task Force, where they led by the Supervisory Councillor for Health and Environment, Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia, where talk say the exercise now to sensitize the residents and traders on the right way to gather and throw away their dirty, and say the Egor Council boss, Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia, they very passionate to make sure say the local government gets sustainable, clean and healthy environment. Say that now the reason for the sensitization and monitoring exercise.
You can see the jackets around. It's a good monitoring team, stroke the task force of the environmental department, are taking a stroll walk, trying to sensitize the public on how they can bag their waste and on how they can dispose their waste. I think that is what we have succeeded in doing. You can watch there now. You see the way they litter the whole area. So we are now trying to teach them on how to bag it. You must bag your waste so that it will be easy to dispose. From what you can see, we are having 80% response from the public. So just few areas that are not yet, got into that level. But it's a continuous process. We must continue with the process.
Meanwhile, the Egor Local Government Council legislators don't present the Environmental Sanitation Bylaw to the Executive Chairman of Egor Council, Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia. After the presentation, the Egor Council boss Konya and say,
Thank you, our councillors, for a good job well done, for passing this bylaw into power today. This bylaw is to regulate and provide for task force on environmental sanitation in Egor local government. So, from today, this is what we are now going to be using. Anything that has to do with environment in Egor local government. The payments, the fines are all here. So, my people of Egor, we are ready. Together, we can keep Egor clean.
To ensure a clean and healthy Egor, the Egor Local Government Area Task Force and Monitoring Team will continue the sensitization and monitoring exercise for the local government area. Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Egor Local Government Area of Edo State, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.